4 and sweep, hook, sweep, hit, and point, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and sweep, hook, sweep, hook. So you can practice at home. You learned a side pass. It goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, triple step. This is a very useful move. Chaser on 4, triple it out. We can do this all night long. But at some point, we might want to switch it up. So we can start doing points. You can point on either side. We showed you can just do slow points. But then we wanted to flavor that up. So we took her to the side, closing the foot, quick, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1, 2. We then showed you that we can go back to the slow ones, giving it a little sweep, hook, sweep, hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and boom, ha, 1, 2, 3, and here's the sauce. Hook, sweep, hook, around, slap into a scrolling lead. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and sweep, hook, sweep, hit. All the moves you learned tonight, top to bottom. This is a little pattern. You can do lots of basics, but it goes 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and slow and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and point and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and sweep, hook, sweep, hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and sweep, hook, sweep, hit. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and sweep, hook, sweep, hit. 1. I've been DJ JohnPaul. That's been the lovely Kortnee. Thank you, Roundup Nightclub. We have these dance lessons every night we're open. I'm here every Thursday and Saturday. Grab a guy, grab a girl. Let's practice some West Coast swing.